Good afternoon. This is Rishika Goel. I'm a student at NEET studying business administration. Today I will be presenting in front of you animal testing in research. This presentation will look after why using animal in research is utter cruelty and how it can be stopped. What is animal testing? Animal testing refers to the experimental process carried on animals to test the safety and effectiveness of all products from cosmetics to medications. Animal testing has been around since 300 BC when Aristotle and Erastus for the first time experimented on animals. Likewise, many physicians and scientists use animal study to advance the understanding in anatomy, pathology, and psychology. In 1922, an insulin called Morgan was tested on drugs on dogs to test the safety of the product. The reasons for the animal testing can be there are many identical indispensable functions that are performed by both the people and the animals, such as breathing, digestion, immune system, and the cell carriages. These enable the scientist to to first experiment a drug or the medication on on an animal, and then recommend it to the human health. Different types of animals are used in experimentation depending upon the gene requirement and the type of the product. All the experiments cause both physical and mental harm to the animals. The common procedures carried on animals can be skin sanitization, exposure to drugs and chemicals that causes pain and discomfort, or genetic manipulation. The effects of animal testing can be there has always been a dilemma while that involves there has always been a dilemma of using the animals in the experiments. Adherents of the animal testing believe that it is necessary to apply a drug or an insulin on animals before it is recommended to human health, while the opponents of the animal testing believe that it is really cruel and unethical to use animals for a human life. There has been various life treatment discoveries from using animal testing, such as the treatment for cancer, tuberculosis, AIDS, breast cancer has been developed through animal testing. Animal testing is utterly cruel and inhuman. Various other methodologies and alternatives have been developed by scientists which can replace the animal testing, such as biochemical research, cell and tissue cultures, and the 3 R's that were introduced by Russell. Moreover, the basic goal of the experimentation is the human health, but one should take care that there is a difference between the life expectancy of the human and the animal life, and most of the experiments that are conducted on the animal have proven to be wrong, and therefore chemical and biological methods should be used. The 3 R's were developed by Charles Hume and William Russell to reduce the experimentation on animals. This was basically made to ensure that experimentation on animals is more humanly. The 3 R's, the reduction, refinement, and replacement. Reduction basically means that there should be the decrease in the number of animals used in the experimentation, while as refinement focuses on that although we are using animals in research, we should have proper facilities so that the pain and distress is reduced. And finally, replacement focuses on finding the alternative methods to animal testing. The animal testing have alternative methods like cell tissues, in which the cells are placed separate from the body in an environment where the scientist carry on their research on those cells, which minimizes the use of high mammals. And the other methods can be using of voluntary humans who give their assent to use or to be used whenever the need arises, or microorganisms or invertebrates or lower vertebrates organisms can be used in animal testing instead of using high mammals. The Environmental Protection Society ensures to reduce the animal testing of high mammals by 2025. Stop animal cruelty. European Union was the first country to stop animal testing in the world, it introduced two bans, the testing ban and the marketing ban. In 1988, the United States also introduced a partial ban on experimentation on animals. Cruelty Free is a campaign or a program that is launched by World Health Organization to promote and aware people about animal experimentation and advance companies to use alternative methods instead of animal testing. This is a method that describes that the body the animals, the cell creatures or the cell fragments are taken out of the animal body. They are designed and infrastructured under the microscope and advanced machines to find out the similarities, and the drug is put on them to test the reliability of the medication. We can see there has been a downfall in animal testing as through the campaigns or the laws passed by various countries and through the World Trade Organization through the Cruelty Free program. The next slide will focus on the conclusion. Animals are the basic reason for the primary existence of the human race throughout their generations. Hence, it is the responsibility of the human life to protect the animals in their life. Animals have given humans food, transportation, agriculture, and other facilities, so animals should be protected in their habitat. Moreover, animals, it is really unethical and inhumane to take advantage from the pain and discomfort suffered by the animals by the humans. So at last we should I would like to share that we all love animals. We like to keep animals at our home as our pets, so it should be our responsibility to protect our animal life. And hence, this is the end. Any of you might have questions, you can answer them. So thank you. I hope you all understand it, and it was really nice talking to you.